What's going on, world? Come back with you again with another video. Xcelerate International, a global business. This $20 business has changed the industry. I'm with Live Good too. Global opportunity, highest quality product at 50% to 75% off of retail. No auto ship or personal ordering requirements. Earn $3,279 without sponsoring affiliates. Everyone that joins after you gets placed below you. Over 80% payout. Yes, I'm affiliate with Xcelerate International. That's cheap. Xcelerate International, $20 business that you can make money on with no problem. Every time you join and you save your spot and you decide you want to upgrade to the $20, you will make money without sponsoring affiliates. You don't have to sponsor nobody. People that join you, they will help you grow your $20 business. Here are the products they got to offer you. I already got the Hydro X already, the glass protector. I already got the accelerated fuel tabs already. I'm gonna get these soon. But anyway, this is the some of the products they got to offer you as soon as you come as a free member, pay the high non-member price, and you good to go. You don't have to do the business. Just order on the website. Lock in your website, start ordering the fuel tabs. The reason why I joined Xcelerate International, because of my old vehicle, to have this fuel tab implement into my fuel tank to save my car ignition. Yes, that is the reason I joined, and it's a global wide business. Worldwide business, everybody's a winner and they make money. $20 business can convert you to over $4,000 a month without you sponsoring any affiliates. Yes, indeed. Without you sponsoring anyone. All you do is make videos. All you do is tell people about it. All you do is explain. All you do is have people understand this industry is very simple and understanding. All you do is lock in your position. You don't have to do the business side. All you do is lock in the free website. It's free to sign up right now. You can come in as a $10 membership, but everybody's going to the $20 membership because what's another $10? To get your link, your websites, your links, your post, your images to start promoting like me. What's another additional $10? That's why this business is a $20 global business. Cheap. To join this business, we all have $20. We all paying over $20 on our bills. We all paying over $20 on our insurance. We all paying over $20 on food and restaurant and shoes and clothes. What is the problem paying to simply $20 for this simple business, and you will get your money right back? You will get your money right back. Every month is $20. You can afford $20. Now, I'm a business owner out there. We can afford $20. What is the problem opening a home-based business that you can get over $4,000 a month without you sponsoring any affiliate? Any affiliate. Like this image said, this image tell you a story about how this program works. That's why I'm making a video about this $20 business. It is no brainer. All you do is lock in your position, like Live Good. Save your spot, and you are good to go. It's no brainer at all. Very simple, lucrative, easy to understand. You don't have to ask me. Google Xcelerate International yourself. See how much you can make and see how much money you can save on the products and start using the products. Yes, that's why I'm going crazy on it, making all type of promotion, free promotion, because this is the only way I can afford to let people know about this wonderful opportunity. Free promotion. Free promotion. Yes. If you don't have no marketing money, you can do a free promotion. What is the problem doing free promotion? It is free. That's why it's called free promotion. I'm good what I do online. I'm good what I do full time working online. I am an internet influencer. I'm a YouTube influencer. I'm an Instagram influencer. I'm a Facebook influencer. I have a lot of group pages out there. And you guys can see on there. I have a bunch of it. A bunch of influencers. I am an influencer because I want to try and be the best I can be. True story. I want to be the best I can be because I know who I am. I'm somebody. How about y'all, non-business owner out there? What is your purpose in this world? What is the purpose for your life? What is the purpose, what you want to do with your life? Who's going to help you be the best you can be in your life? True story. Who are you? Find yourself and understand yourself. Ain't nobody going to understand yourself for yourself. Ain't nobody going to help you but yourself. So who are you? You have to find yourself, be the best you can be. It's free to be the best you can be. It's free to understand yourself. Because you are living, you are waking up every day to see another day. People are dying in this weather, in this cold weather that we have in this global world. People are dying. So you better be fortunate that Lord Jesus Christ woke you up, kept your heart pumping while you sleeping in your bed. You better pray to God that you see another day. It is not no luck getting up every day. Anything can happen. I'm not putting that in the air. I'm just saying. Who are you? Find yourself. What is your purpose? In them words, find yourself. What is his purpose in this world? Everybody got things to do. We got things to do. We all have purposes. We all have ideas. We all have plans for ourselves. What is your purpose now, business owner out there? Don't want to spend some simple $20 on a $20 business. Again, you pay over $20 for your mortgage. You pay over $20 for your insurance. You pay over $20 for your taxes. You pay over $20 for your shoes, your clothes, your everything. We can afford $20. You can afford $20 for your light bill and your gas bill. What is your purpose? Subject line today. What is our purpose in this world? People, non-business owner. Google that. What is your purpose in this world? There's a reason you're still alive today. We all have a purpose. That's why we're still alive. What do you want to do with your life? Your husband, your wife, your girlfriend can't help you, save you. What you want to do with your life? We all have a purpose here. Find it, take action. Find it, put it in place, and take action. I'm taking action. I'm doing what I want to do. It's talking to the people. Spread the words. What is your purpose in this world? Non-business owner. True story. Again, brought to you by Xcelerate International. This $20 business changed the industry. All you see here, this is what you'll get. Global opportunity. Everybody's a winner. Everybody can make money. Global wide. Everybody looking for global wide opportunity. Here it is. It's called Accelerated International $20 business that you can earn over $4,000 without sponsoring affiliates. You can earn. All you got to do is open, save your spot, free spot, and start shopping. That's all you need to do if you don't want to do the business side. You do not have to do the business side. Just lock in your position as a free affiliate. If you decide you see what you like, you can come as the business side. It's very simple. You get your little 3 links. You get your website links. You get your referral links. And you start sharing and you get videos. True story. So again, this is about Xcelerate International, the $20 business, changing the industry. Join today. You won't regret it. Okay, talk to you soon. Come back with you with another video.